So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Techno Pova. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Techno Pova are MediaTek Helio G80 6.8 inches HD plus display, 13 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 6000 mAh battery, 18 watt fast charging, high OS 7.0 based on Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Techno Pova. There are two storage variants of Techno Pova, 6GB plus 64GB and 6GB plus 128GB. There are three color variants of Techno Pova, white color, black color and blue color. This is the front side of Techno Pova. This is the back side of Techno Pova. The launch date of Techno Pova is on 4 December 12 pm. In my opinion, the expected price of Techno Pova should be below 11,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.